Hi everyone, welcome back to Keto Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can migrate your WordPress website from one hosting to other. So let's say your current hosting provider is not providing that much performance and you want to upgrade your hosting, but how you can do that? In this video I'm gonna show you how you can migrate your WordPress website from one hosting to other for free using completely free tools, and you will be able to migrate your website with a single click. So let's check how you can do that. And if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button for more such amazing content. And let's get started. Alright, before starting the video, let me summarize the steps that we are going to follow in this video. So here we will take a backup of our files and database from our hosting panel, and then we will log into our WordPress dashboard and install a free plugin called Migrateguru, and we will generate a migration key. And then we will log into our new hosting panel, create a WordPress website on a temporary domain, and we will migrate all our content to that temporary domain. And after that we will log in back to our old hosting panel, delete the website, and then we will connect that domain to our new hosting. So let's check how we can take backup of your files and database in Hostinger first, and then we will follow the next step. So let's check how you can take backup in Hostinger dashboard. So for this, let's go to the file section here, and you will find the backup option here. Just click on here. Now here you will see this option. Just click on generate new backup. Click on proceed. And after that, let's click on the file backup option. And here you can select the latest backup, and let's click on next step. Now here you will see all the files. Just scroll down and click on download all files. So it will take some time to prepare the downloads, so have patience. Alright, after 5 to 7 minutes my backup preparation is completed. Now all you have to do is click on the download backup option. Now it will download the backup file to your computer, and as you can see that my backup file is 259 MB. So the size depend on the website, whether you have a simple blog website or a WooCommerce website. After you download the file backup, now we need to download the database backup. So for this we need to select the right database. So I will go to database, click on management, and here you can see that there is a lot of database. So the latest database is around 85 MB. So we need to identify which database is the correct one. So for this I will go to file manager, click on access file of VHS Finance 1. Here you will find the public_HTML. Scroll down and here you will find the wp-config.php file. Just click on here, and here you will find the database name. As you can see that sgappS5. sgappS5. Just click on here, and here you will find the database name, database username and password. So make sure to take note of database name, and here just select the right database, and here you will select the latest database. Click on download. Now it will prepare the database for you, and it will take some time for the preparation, and after that you can click on download backup option. So it will download the database file as well to your computer, and as you can see that the database file is around 3 MB. So you need to download both file backup and database backup. So in case if you have any issue with your plugin, you can also restore your website from these two files. So it will work in any hosting, whether you want to use in Hostinger, Bluehost, CloudWares or any other web hosting. Now let's check how you can migrate our website from one hosting to other. So for this we will use a free plugin called Migrateguru. So all you have to do is click on the get started button. Now all you have to do is click on the download button here, and it will download the plugin to your computer. And after that just go to the plugin section and click on add new plugin. Click on upload a plugin. Choose the file that we have downloaded, Migrateguru. Hit install now button. Now the plugin is installed. Let's click on activate. Now the Migrateguru plugin is installed on our original website. Now let's go to the new web hosting, and here I will click on add website, and I will click on for myself, click on next, and I will click on create, click on next. Now I will choose the WordPress with AI, create with WordPress. Now you need to enter your email address and password for your WordPress website. So let me quickly do that. Now let's click on next and I will choose a blog and let's hit next. I can choose a standard theme and hit next, or you can skip that as well. Now I can choose the plugin manually. So let's click on next here. Now you can click on skip button and you can also skip this step. Now you need to enter your domain name. And as you can see that this domain is already used on another hostinger account. So I will use temporary domain. Now it will install the WordPress on a temporary domain and our old website is still there on the old hosting. So let's wait for the WordPress to install on a temporary domain. And after that we will use the Migrateguru plugin to migrate all our content from our old WordPress website to the new WordPress website. And as you can see that WordPress is installed on our temporary domain. Now we can access the website by clicking on admin panel. So it will redirect to our temporary domain. And as you can see that WordPress is installed in temporary domain. All you have to do is go to plugins, click on add new, and let's upload the plugin here. Click on choose file and install the same Migrateguru plugin. Let's install. Alright, the plugin is installed. Let's activate. Now the Migrateguru plugin is installed on our new website. Let's go to the old website and let's enter the email address here. So I will enter my email address, click on I agree and click on migrate. Now it will take you to the blog ball dashboard and here you will see all the supported hosting. So I will choose the last option because that is the simple one. Click on other host. Now you need to log into your new website and paste a migrate key here. So let's log into our new temporary domain. Click on copy migration key and let's go to the blog board and paste the migration key here. And let's hit migrate button now. Now it will validate all the details and migrate all our post, pages, images and everything from your old website to new website. So all you have to do is just copy the migration key and paste it here and it will do all the job for you. So it is a complete single step process. All you have to do is just copy the migration key. So let's wait for it. And as you can see that the migration is started and our the content is migrating from VHS Finance 1 to our temporary domain. So the process will takes depending upon this file size of your WordPress website. So let's wait a little bit and as you can see that it is migrating our content. So it will take some time here. Alright, as you can see that migration completed successfully. So it will take some time. So in my case it takes around 30 to 40 minutes to migrate the site completely. Now we can visit our migrated site by clicking on this button here. And as you can see that all the contents is now migrated to our temporary domain. So you can see all the pages here. So let's click on blog here and let's click one of the blog post. And as you can see that all the blog post is working as intended. So as you can see all the content is now migrated to our temporary domain. So let's log into the original website. And as you can see that the content is same. So the content is same and migrated completely to our temporary domain. Alright, let's log into the hostinger here and let me delete the website from our old hosting. So I will click on I understand and hit delete button here. Let's click on close and it will take some time to delete the website. So let's refresh this page. And as you can see that our website is now deleted. So let's click on domain and let's click on VHS Finance. So I will click on manage. And here I will click on DNS/name server. Now we need to connect the temporary domain with the original domain. So for this, let me log into the new hosting provider and I will click on the connect button. Now I will click on use an existing domain and I will enter the domain name here. So let's copy the bhsfinance.com and I will paste it here, and let me remove the https from here and let me remove the / here, and I will click on continue. Now we need to verify that this domain is belongs to us. So for this we need to create a txt record in our old hosting. So you can do the same with your domain register as well. So if your domain is hosted on other register, then you can also create a txt record in there as well. So I will create a txt record here and I will paste that value and click on add record. Alright, the DNS record is created successfully. So let's go to the new hosting. And here as you can see that the continue button is not working. So what I can do is I will click on the learn more button here and let me scroll down here, and as you can see that they are saying that you should keep the TTL value to 900 and keep @ at the host. So let's do that. So I will scroll down here, click on the txt record. So let's edit it and let's change the TTL value to 900. And let's hit the update button. Alright, the DNS record is updated. Let's go to the new hosting and let me refresh this page. And as you can see that we have connected our domain to our new hosting or account. Let's click on connect. Let's click on go back here. And as you can see that we have connected our original domain with the temporary domain. So the temporary domain is replaced with the original domain. So here in the WordPress overview, you can see we need to install the SSL certificate. So let's click on install and click on install SSL. So it will take some time to install the SSL certificate in our domain. So let's wait for it. So you can verify that by clicking on the update info button here. And as you can see that the SSL certificate is now installed. So let's click on admin panel here. And as you can see that our website is now hosting from our new hosting provider. So in this way you can migrate your website from one hosting to other. I hope you have successfully migrate your WordPress website from one hosting to other. So here you need to follow some simple steps. All you have to do is just go to your hosting panel, take a backup of your files and database, although it is not that necessary. And after that you need to install the Migrateguru plugin, which is a free plugin that will allow us to migrate your website. And then you need to go to your new web hosting and install WordPress on a demo domain. And after that you need to migrate your content from your original website to that demo website, and later on you can delete your original website from your old hosting and connect that domain to your new hosting. So this is how the migration process works. So if you still have any doubt, then you can ask me in the comment section, and if you don't want to do it yourself and you want me to do it for you, then you can also take my service as well. So you can get the link in the description. So if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing for more videos like this. And if you are looking for a best backup plugin in WordPress, then I have compared the top backup plugins in WordPress. So you can watch that video next, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.